In this video, I want to demonstrate how to add these tabs and this slot to our solid jaw of our vise. So first I'm going to control tab back to my other assembly. And remember, the first thing I want to do is select the part until I want to edit the part. Then I'm going to rotate around so I can see the bottom. I'll select the bottom face and I'll tell it to look normal too. And here I want to add some extrusion. So I'm going to activate extrusion. I'm going to use my mouse gesture to activate line. And I'm going to click here and move up. I'm going to move off and back, and I'm going to create this half circle. I'm going to come down, click, and close the shape. Again, I'm going to move over here, use mouse gestures to activate circle. Draw a small circle here, and once again I'll use mouse gestures to activate smart dimensioning. And I'll add the dimensions to my part. So this radius here is 0.313. This diameter is 0.175. From here to the outside of this arc, so I'm going to hold shift when I select the arc. And I move over and click and place it. This distance is 5/8. And from the origin to the center is 1.5 inches. So my sketch is fully defined. I'm just going to now add a center line from the origin horizontally this way. I'll push escape. And I'm going to window select all my entities I just sketched and fully defined, as well as the center line. And then with them selected, I'm going to tell them to mirror that so that the sketch is fully defined as well. I'll go back to the isometric view. I'll right click to exit my sketch. And I'll make the extrusion 0.2, tell it to merge the result. I can see in the preview I need to flip the direction. And I'll say OK. So that's been added. Again, notice how this is all blue because I'm editing this part. So next I'm going to select this face. Again, I'll look normal to it. I'm going to come up to the feature ribbons. And I'm going to tell it this time I want to make an extrude cut, and I'll use a 2-point rectangle. I'll activate 2-point rectangle. I'll lock it to this corner, come up and click to place it. I'll move off. Use mouse gestures to activate smart dimension. This distance here is 0.1. And this distance is 0.14. So that's fully defined. Again, I'm going to use mouse gestures to activate line. I'm going to click on the origin, come up and create this vertical line. I'll push escape, select the line again, and I'm going to make it for construction. And then one more time, I'll window select the rectangle on the center line, and then I'll tell it to mirror those entities. I'll look at this isometrically. I'm going to right click and exit the sketch. And for the end condition, I'm going to choose up to surface. And I'll select this face and I'll right click to accept that. Now, if this were going to be machined, it would be done typically with an end mill, and I can't have this square corner here. So I'm going to go back to the features ribbon, activate fillet, and this time I'm going to tell it I want to make a full round fillet. So I'll select this face and right click, select this face and right click, rotate around a bit, select this face and right click to create the full round fillet. I'll rotate my part around and I'll do the same on this side. I'll activate fillet, select this face, right click, select this face, right click, rotate a bit, select this face, right click. I'll go back to the isometric view. I'm going to stop editing my part, save my work, and in the next video we'll continue from there.